guys, it's Vicky and welcome back to another tutorial. Today, we'll be making something super simple but super fun and cute. We're going to be making a candy star and putting it on a single. For this tutorial, you'll need about 49 beads. I'm going to be using gold, green, and red. And then for the string, I'm just using 2 scraps that I have left over from my larger projects. They're each about 1 foot long, and this is some 1mm thick elastic cord. I'm going to make my candy star solid gold. So to start, take one of your pieces of string and put on 10 beads. Now slide the beads to one side of the string and tie it off. I'm using a double knot. Now add 3 beads onto the long end of the string. Then put your string through the second bead over from where your string is coming out of. Then add 3 more beads onto your string. Now put the string through the second bead over from where your string is coming out. Add 3 more beads. Put the string through the second bead over. Add 3 more beads. Put the string through the second bead over. Add 3 more beads. Put the string through the second bead over. And before you tie it off, you can tug on each point of the star to tighten it. And then tug on the string. Then take both ends and tie them together in a double knot. And cut those off. Now to make my single, I'm going to take my other piece of string and put it through one of the points of the star. And then I'm just going to add like 29 beads, or maybe less if that's too big. And I'm doing the pattern green, red, gold all the way around. And now that I have all the beads for my single on and I have my star on there, I'm just going to tie off the single with a triple knot. So there is the finished candy star single. Anyways guys, thank you so much for watching. Leave me a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video, subscribe for more tutorials, and until next time, peace, love, unity, and respect.